What's up guys, in today's video we are going to be learning adjectives and its types. Don't ask me why I decided to make an educational video out of all of the gaming videos I made. This is the only education video you'll find on the channel. So you need to watch this with all of your focus. So the first type of the parts of speech of adjectives is descriptive or qualitative adjectives. First, we need to know what an adjective is. The definition is an adjective is used to modify, describe, qualify a noun or pronoun. They can be attributive, occurring before the noun, or predicative, occurring after the noun. They provide more information about a noun or pronoun. Now, let's come back to the first type, descriptive or qualitative adjectives. Descriptive or qualitative adjectives are used to describe the physical appearance, size, shape, color, and other quantities or characteristics of a noun. They provide more information about the noun, the reader or listener to visualize it better. Sorry. The beautiful flowers bloomed in the garden. In this, beautiful describes the noun. He wore a red shirt to the party. In this sentence, red is describing the noun. The tall building stood in the city center. In this sentence, tall is describing the building. Now, adjectives have different positions as I told you in the definition. Attributive adjectives come before the noun and predicative or complement adjectives come after the noun. Adjectives that are followed by a noun or they are directly adjacent to the noun or pronoun they modify. These are attributive adjectives. For example, you are a great friend, or my younger brother is a doctor, or he doesn't have a big ego. Now, predicative or complement adjectives. Adjectives that describe the subject of sentence. There is a linking verb. Predicative adjectives come in the end as a complement. For example, the joke was funny or the tree looks majestic. Now, let's go to possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives show something belongs to somebody. For example, that's our house, or my car is very old. They also show relations and friends. For example, my mother is a doctor, or how old is your sister? And they also show the parts of the body. For example, he broke his arm, or she's washing her hair, or I need to clean my teeth. Interrogative adjectives are words that modify a noun, pronoun, and ask a question. I forgot to ask her which dress I was supposed to buy. In this, which is modifying a noun and asking a question. What town did they move to? Or whose party are we going to? Now, in demonstrative adjectives are used to indicate which noun is being referred to. They can be used to indicate which of the three or more nouns is being referred to, or to indicate which noun is being referred to in a list. For example, pass me this pen or show me those designs. It can also be that book belongs to me. Now, quantitative adjectives. Quantitative adjectives express quantity of a noun or they provide information about the number or amount of a noun. Quantitative adjectives modify nouns by providing information about the quantity or number. They answer how much. For example, some, any, several, few, many, much, most, or all. Some. Would you like some cake? It answers how much cake. Much. There isn't much time left. It answers how much time. She ate most of the pizza. or she ate most of the pizza. Answers how much pizza or pizza. Depends on how you pronounce the word. All. They drank all the water. Answers how much water. And by depends on how you pronounce the word, I'm saying depends on how you're understanding what I'm saying. If you pronounce pizza or pizza or whatever, I don't know. Now, numeral adjectives. Numeral adjectives provide information about the number or amount of a noun. They modify nouns by providing information about the quantity or number. They answer how many. There are subtypes of numeral adjectives. First subtype is definite numeral adjective. They give a certain or specific number of noun or a subject. They are cardinal, denoting numbers. For example, 1, 2, 3, 10, 100, 1000, etc. Examples: there is one book on the shelf, or I ate 2 apples. The second type is an ordinal. They show order, rank, or position. For example, first, second, third, 10th, 100, etc. For example, he won first place in wrestling. Now, numeral adjectives have further subtypes. The second subtype of numeral adjectives. Definite numeral adjectives. Adjectives which provide information about the number of nouns but do not tell the exact amount of nouns. For example, several. There are several options to choose from. How many options? Few. There are a few people at the beach today. How many people? Now, distributive numeral adjectives. They refer to members of group individually, or they refer to specific participants of the group. Each student in the class must complete the assignment, or either path leads to the same destination. Now, compound adjectives. When two different elements are combined together to form a single adjective, they are attributive words because they are followed by a noun. That's our house. This was an example. Now here are further more examples. Old-fashioned clothes, long-term sessions, full-time duty. Now, proper adjectives. Proper adjectives that are usually capitalized and can be used to refer to any language, nationality, place, person, idea, etc. For example, Urdu speaking, Italian cuisine, Pakistani culture, etc. Verbal adjectives. Adjectives that look like verb because they are formed from verb. They are either ing verb like walking, writing, etc. or they are third form of verb like seen, broken, etc. They function as adjectives, describe a noun. The market is at a walking distance. Bring all the writing materials. They are having a scene paper. I collected pieces of a broken jar. I hope this video tells you a lot about adjectives, and I hope this video will also help you in your exams. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye.